Power button back here, below, above the power cord. Flip it on. When it comes on, it's loading. Okay, so everything's on. This is the master volume. If this is down, nothing will go. So it says main, that's the main. So to run music or the handheld microphone, you turn this up to 0, which is right there. This is the house volume, the house music. So you turn this up, Spotify, or this music or whatever's playing from the computer will play. So you have to make sure something's playing on this computer, and then this will turn this up. So right now there is something playing, but the speakers aren't on. So for the handheld microphone, which is what the Calf Festival people use, you hold it down, green light comes on, and then you unmute this right here. DCA 6, that says handheld on it. And you unmute. When it's white, it's on. When it's red, it's muted. This adjusts the volume for it. This fader below it.
Perfect.
So, and then let's just, while we're on this, let's go up and I'll show where the speakers. So the speakers are already all set on. They're all connected to this. I should have turned the light on. They're all connected to this power strip. So you just flip the power strip on, and the thing lights up, and then all the speakers are on. Everything up here. So, yeah, that's all you have
See
to
the
do.
green light.
Yeah. And the blue lights, you can come around the front, just make sure there's these blue lights on all of them, that they're on. They're on this side.
You also have 2 different temperature controls. So there's one right there. And then to the left of the cry room, you have another one that you can press. You can change it to cool and then put it down to the system you want it to be. And then you can turn it back to auto when you're done. And then lastly, you have lights over here, this column right to the left of the soundboard.
This is the house lights.
House lights.
Power. Chandeliers. This is for the chandeliers. Turn downs off. All the way up's on. Soundboard lights. Stage lights. You flip the switch. They all come on. This fades them down.